10 blocks to understand the...
Girls, this is called the base 10 blocks to understand the relationship among value position. When you see this, the first box, what is it called, girls? It is called a large cube. What is this called?
Large cube.
Which have how many in that?
Large cube.
What is the value? What is the value? 1,000.
1,000. 1,000.
And then next, when you see this, this is called the flat. And what's the value here? 100.
100.
And then a long one, you see it's like 10. If I say 10 long make one flat 100, then 100 flats together make 1,000. Again, 10 ones make one long. 10 long make, like if I place like this 10, 1, 2, 3, if I make like this 10, it will make 100. Now this 100, if I make it 10 times, it will become 1,000, okay? So see the names, small cube, long, flat, and this is called as large cube. Did you understand this?
What again?
You just have to know the names, that this one is called small cube, this is ones, and then this is the long, it's called as tens, and the hundreds are called, like example girls, if I write here 3,482. So what do you say? How many ones are there? How many ones are there? Yeah.
There's 2 ones.
Yeah.
8,
so there will be 2 cubes.
8, 10.
So yes.
And 4
hundreds and 1,000. That means, listen to me carefully, girls. Jana, Maria, everyone, those who don't understand this, listen to me. 2 ones, that means there's 2 small cubes like this. 8 tens, that means there are 8 long like this. 4 hundreds, like 4 flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3,000s, they have to be 1, 2, 3 boxes, like 3 cubes like this. Got it? Are you all able to understand, or no? Am I going faster? Am I going faster?
No.
Everyone, do you understand what I said?
Yes.
Because my
I learned it in grade.
great. My English, when I speak fast. So please, if you cannot understand, let me know so that I explain you again, okay? Let us go to the next question or next page.
Let's continue using base 10 blocks to understand the relationships among place value positions. How does the flat compare to the large cube?
Okay. When you compare the flat and the large cube, Maria, can you tell me what is the difference between flat and a large cube?
The large cube has more.
They have hundreds of 100 flat. They have hundreds of 100 flat.
The flat is 1/10 of the large cube.
It's like,
What about the long?
it's 1/100th of the long cube. See?
The long is 1/10 of the flat. How does the small cube compare to the long?
It's 1/10 of the small cube.
The small cube is 1/10 of the long. So each place value position is 1/10 of the place value position to its left. Use the place value patterns to find 10 times as much as 700.
See guys, what are we gonna do? We are just gonna add zeros. When you go with this side, 10 times. It is just 10 times. Each time when you go to the next one, you need to add 1 0. See, this was 700. This is 7. What is it? Let me ask Judy, can you say me? When this is 700, what this has to be? If I say 10 times, you need to add 1 0. Yes, Judy? This is 700. If I add a 0, what does it become?
7,000.
Very good. Okay?
10 times 700 is 7,000. And what's 1/10 of 700?
See girls, when you get back to from 100 to 10, you need to remove a 0. When you go from 100 to 1000, you need to add a 0. From 1000 to 10,000, one more 0 you will add. So when you are going to your left, you are adding zeros. When are you coming back, you are removing 0. So Feroz, tell me this. Tens, what it will become?
It's gonna become
700 will become when it comes to
10.
Yes, Feroz?
100. Wait.
See, 700, if I add 0, it became 7,000. 700, if I remove 0, what will it become?
70.
Yes. So see, when you're coming back from 100 to tens, 1 0 will get less. When you're going from 100 to 1000, 1 0 will add up.
1/10 of 700 is 70.
I wish you understood. Did you understand?
Yes. Yes, kinda.
Anyone has a question here?
Miss, this is easy.
Okay, thank you, Maria.
Use place value patterns to complete the table. What is 10 times as much as 9,000?
Okay, who did not get the chance here? I think, 1 minute. Yes, Tina? Hello, Tina? Are you there? Tina, are you there, my girl? I think she's not there. Okay, Maria answered me. Jana?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me, when I say 9,000 and 10 times, so what is your answer? It goes to 10,000. From 1,000, it goes to 10,000. So what do I write?
9.
9 and then 0, 0, 0, 0. You will say
4 0.
9,000
4
is
0.
90,000. Very good.
1,000.
Right here, 9000, right? Am I correct? One more 0 I need to put. Let me put a
Yes.
so that check. Can I check?
That's it.
Correct.
90,000 is 10 times as much as 9,000.
So girls, will you remember when I say 10 times? What are you going to do? You are going to add one more 0.
4 0. 1 more.
Yes. And when I say divide, I don't say multiply times. I say divide. You will remove
a 0.
Yes. So from 9,000, because see the arrow? From 9,000, if I say 1/10 of 9,000, that means do I need to add a 0 or I need to minus a 0? I need to remove the 0. Remove. Don't say minus, just say remove. If I have to remove the 0, so what is the answer?
Is 1/10 of 9,000.
Who will answer? Amal, can you answer me? 1/10 of 9,000. You there, Amal?
Yes.
Yes, tell me 1/10 of 9,000. What's the answer?
10,000.
1/10 of 9,000. I told when it is times, you are adding a 0 to 9,000. When it is 1/10, that means you are removing a 0 from 9,000.
900.
Excellent. This is what I will write here and let us check the answer.
That's it.
Correct.
900 is 1/10 of 9,000.
Did you all understand, girls, a little bit?
Yes.
Sure, everyone? Again, I will say you girls, when you see the word times, that means you need to multiply. That is, you need to add a 0. When you see the 1 by 10 over 1 over 10, that means you need to remove 1 0. If it is 1 over 100, you need to remove 2 0. Anyways, we are bothered only for 1 over 10. So 1/10 of 9,000 means it becomes 900. 10 times of 9,000, that becomes 90,000. I'm sure your class is clear.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Now let us go to the next question here.
Now let's practice with the
Just a second, girls. I think we are out of the website. I don't know what happened. Just a second. I will go.
You can use. Let's continue. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, now. The first question is for Tina. Tina?
Yes.
Now listen to me carefully. Mark and Robin use base 10 blocks. These are called base 10 blocks to show that 200 is 100 times as much as 2. You 200 you get as 2 times 100. Whose model makes sense? Whose model is nonsense? They say 200 is 100 times as 2. Now which model is correct? Is it this one or is it this one? Mark work, he have shown this. This one or this one. 200, these are 200 is as much as 2. As much as 2. 200 is as much as 100 times 2. So which one is correct? This one, Robin's work or Mark's work?
Robin.
Excellent, Jana.
Robin.
Excellent, excellent. Because 200 is 100 times as much as 2. 2 means 2 ones. That's why. So whose model is correct? Robin's.
Robin.
Who does not make sense? Who does not make sense?
Mark.
So Mark's model does not make sense, huh? Huh, dear?
I was supposed to answer.
I am sorry, Tina. I am sorry, Tina. I will give you a chance again. Okay, Tina?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Now you will say me. Nobody else will say me. And please, I'm sorry on their behalf. Okay, Tina? Mark's model does not make sense. That person model show, how many he showed? 20 instead of what? What has to be here actually? Yes, Tina? He's showing 20. It has to be?
200.
See, 200 is here. He is showing 200, that is correct. But here he is not showing?
2.
Yes, very good. He is not showing 2, he is showing 20. What is in the question? It has to be 2.
2.
Yeah, very good. Now, that person's model show that 200 is 10 times as much as 20. He is showing 20 here. He is not showing 2. So which model makes sense? Robin's that shows 200 is 100 times as much as 2. Check answer. Can I check now? Well done. All correct. Okay. You understood, guys? So this way, daily I'm going to explain you on this website, and then we will solve our textbook when it comes to you, or or the papers.